chatbot. So it's a a simple idea where a XIAO ESP32C3 board is used, and everybody without internet could connect to its Wi-Fi. Then everybody could just chat with it. And if, for example, we don't have internet and we are connected to the network, I could type that the stove is hot, and everybody just go through it, and so that would be responded to the whole group, and everyone will know that the stove is hot. So that's a simple idea that it's based on, and most likely we're going to expand it to more Gemini features or Google's or more AI adding to the software. So that's basically how this works and how it integrates hardware and software into one full package. Thanks Seed Studio for enabling this project to be done to the Seed XIAO board. Thank you.